with Arizona Oriental and Specialty Rug Care. We're here in Prescott, Arizona, and today we're working on a whole bunch of rugs. This one here is in the pit now. It's been shampooed, and now it's getting an extra treatment. It's got a few areas that need some TLC above and beyond, and that's what we're doing. And you will see that when we clean, we mean business. The soil is pushed out, and then we flush it out, and we squeegee it out, and we do everything we need to make it nice and clean, the rugs for our clients. If you have questions, would like information on pricing or on procedure for your rug, give us a call. We're here to help you in any way we can. Call us at 928-445-1718. Ruthie with Arizona Oriental and Specialty Rug Care here in Prescott, Arizona. And that's my ruggy Hector. He's here helping everybody's rugs get nice and clean. See you soon.